All right, so converting measurements, one thing you're going to find when we do these assignments is I'm also going to post these converting between measurement systems and customary conversions where I tell you what 1 foot is 12 inches and so on and so forth. This will be extremely beneficial for you to be able to convert from one to the other. So if we take a look at our examples here, 36 yards is how many feet? Well, I know that 3 feet is 1 yard. So I'm going to take 36 times 3, which ends up being 108. So 108 feet is the correct answer. The second example, half of a ton is how many pounds? Well, I know that 2,000 pounds is 1 ton. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to cut it in half by dividing by 2, and I know that this then will be 1,000 pounds. And my last example here, 1 and 1/2 of a quart is how many pints? Well, 2 pints equals 1 quart. So I would say 2 for this, and then half of 2 is 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 pints would be my final answer for that. Moving on to the next examples. 2,640 feet is how many miles? Well, I know that a mile is 5,280 feet. And so because I made the question, I know that if I reduced all of this down, I would end up with 1/2. So it's 1/2 of a mile. 100 ounces is how many pounds? Well, what I would do is I would take 100 and I would divide that by 16 because there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. And I end up with 6 1/4 or 6.25. We always want to make sure that we are writing our final answers with fractions. Then I have 3 cups is how many pints? Well, 2 cups equals 1 pint. So again, 2 cups, half, and I have 1 left over. So I'm going to add 1 here. Actually, you know what? 3 divide that by 2, which is 1 and 1/2. Final answer, and that is it for converting measurements.